I'm here in Varanasi, one of the oldest cities in the country and the holiest. About 4 million people a year come here in pilgrimage, and the reason being because of what you see over my shoulder, the Mother Ganges. It's believed here that if you spread the ashes of your loved one in the river, it will flow to heaven and end the cycle of reincarnation. So they do open-air crematoriums on the west bank of the river. In addition to that, Varanasi happens to also be the birthplace of Kama Sutra. So the duality of life and death here and of passion and devotion is fascinating. So we're about to take a boat down the Mother Ganges River, and I'm going to show you a little bit more about India. So behind me is the Aarti festival. It takes place every night here on the bank of the Mother Ganges, and basically it's a festival to say goodnight to the river as well as say thanks. So they're chanting behind us in Sanskrit right now, and the priests, which are standing on a platform over there, are having everyone take an oath right now to not pollute the Mother Ganges.